Not every computer needs an operating system. That microwave in your kitchen, it just follows one simple program and no OS needed. But your smartphone, your laptop, your game console, that's a whole different story.
Hi there, I'm Ozzie, your operating system. I keep everything in sync so your tech doesn't turn into a digital food fight.
Without an operating system, modern computers would be totally lost. Apps wouldn't run, clicks wouldn't respond, and nothing would make sense.
I'm like the conductor of an orchestra. CPU, memory, apps, and hardware all follow my lead.
So what exactly does an operating system do?
Process management. I keep all running apps in check, like a bouncer for your CPU. Memory management. I hand out memory and make sure everyone shares nicely. File management. I organize your files like a top-tier digital librarian. Device management. I talk to your mouse, keyboard, camera, and printer so you don't have to. User interface management. I give you buttons, windows, touchscreens, and terminal commands to talk to your machine.
Why do we need something like Ozzie? Because computers need flexibility, upgrades, and communication. Operating system allows you to update and build software, fix security issues, execute firmware updates, and run various apps, all without replacing your computer. Let's have a look at the real-world tie-ins. Windows Update, that's Ozzie adapting. Installing WhatsApp on Android, Ozzie makes it work with your hardware. Switching to Linux, that's Ozzie's cousin, just as smart but dressed differently. Not all the operating systems are same. Ozzie has cousins for every situation. Batch OS, no user input, just job queues, classic mainframe style. Time sharing, it lets many users work at once, like old school Unix servers. Real-time OS, think of cars, medical devices, or robots. It works in microseconds. Distributed OS, a super team leader who controls a network of computers like they are one giant machine. Network OS allows computers to communicate and share resources over a network, but each device remains independent.
I'm the invisible genius behind every click, tap, and task you do. So remember, I may be behind the scenes, but I keep your digital world running smooth.
And that's what an operating system does, and why it matters more than ever. Enjoyed learning with Ozzie? Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.